friends, Miss Riley here. Today we're going to play Taba Naba, a song from the Torres Strait Islands. This song uses two chords, C7 and F, and they switch back and forth. So let's start with C7. The C7 chord is easy to remember because it's string 1, fret 1, and finger 1. Finger 1 is my pointer finger. I'm going to push my pointer finger on fret 1 right underneath the caution tape. And then I'm going to count 4, 3, 2, 1 to the bottom string. If I push hard and strum, I have the C7 chord. You try it. And stop. All right, our next chord is the F chord. For this chord, you need 2 fingers, your peace sign fingers. So let's put our finger 2 down first. This one we're going to put on fret 2, 1, 2, and we're going to leave it on string 4, that's the top string. So the hardest part is reaching that finger all the way to the top. Don't go over, go under and all the way up. Once that's there, my pointer finger, finger 1, is like, what about me? So I'm going to put this finger on fret 1 and count to 4, 3, 2, string 2. I push both of these fingers down and I have an F chord. You try it. If it's sounding like this, then you probably know you're not pushing hard enough. So make sure you push down really, really hard. And I like to use ballerina fingers. That means I'm curving my fingers almost like they're dancing on their tiptoes. All right, now that we have those 2 chords, let's try our chord progression. The chord progression goes F, C7, C7, F. And we don't really have to go super fast when we do this. So listen to me do it first. Here I go. F, 2, 3, 4. C7, 2, 3, 4. C7, 2, 3. Back to F, 2, 3, 4. You try it with me. Get your F chord ready. 1, 2, here we go. F, 2, 3, 4. C7, 2, 3, 4. C7, stay right there. Back to F, 2. Do it again. F, 2, 3, 4. C7, 2, 3, 4. C7, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, let's add in the song. So I'm going to sing. You try to play with me. If you want to just play the Fs or just the C7s, you can do that. Or you can try playing the whole thing and switching back and forth. Let's start with our F chord. 1, 2, here we go. Taba Naba, Naba norem. Tuge pe naisir mi tingiem navare. Niko ke mi sirium navare. Taba Naba norem. Let's do it again. Taba Naba, Naba norem. Tuge pe naisir mi tingiem navare. Niko ke mi sirium navare. Taba Naba norem. Were you able to play along? If not, try practicing just the chord progression without singing and switching from F to C7, stay on C7, then go back to F. And then maybe you can add the lyrics in later. Great job.